In today's video, we're taking a look at how to connect the old threaded SodaStream cylinder in a quick connect machine, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to connect your old cylinders to your new machine. You notice that one is threaded and the new machine is quick connect. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A few blocks away, but a back is a back. So basically this quick connect adapter lets you use an older TR21-4 threaded CO2 cylinder with the new SodaStream machines like the Terra, the Duo, the Art, and the Gaia. It converts the old screw-in cylinder so it can fit securely into the new quick connect slot. And these cylinders come in two types. We have the newer pink quick connect style that clicks into place, and we also have the older blue screw-in style that twists in by hand. They're not interchangeable without an adapter, and if you're interested in getting this particular adapter, we'll leave links on the description of the video. And these are the things that we get in the box. We get the connector and we get two silicone gaskets, which one comes already pre-installed and the other would be a spare. So basically what happens is inside the machine there's a small valve pin or nozzle which presses against the cylinder valve when the bottle is locked into place. When you press the carbonation button, the machine pushes down the pin to open the valve and release CO2 gas into the water. And now that we've filled your brain with SodaStream technology, we're ready for the install. To install the adapter, you screw it onto the older TR21-4 threaded CO2 cylinder until it's snug and secure. Always remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And the pro tip, once you feel it tight, that should be good enough. If you notice you press the machine and nothing comes out, then you might have to tighten it a little bit more. If you notice you tighten it all the way down and you hear a hiss or gas coming out, then it means it's too tight. You might have to loosen it a quarter of a turn at a time until it stops the gas leak. Now that we install our adapter, we're ready for the next step. The first thing that we want to do is remove the back cover or rear compartment. You're going to notice at the rear top of your SodaStream there is a tab. This is where you place your fingers to pull the compartment back. If you notice at the bottom we have an alignment tab, so when you install back the compartment or cover, it slides into place as well as it secures it. And now that you broke your machine, now that you have not broken your machine, we're ready for the next step. If you notice the old cylinder with the adapter does not sit low enough to lock into the machine, you may need to remove the cylinder support housing at the bottom of the compartment. This piece is very easy to remove and gives the cylinder enough room to fit properly into the quick connect slot. At the bottom you'll see two pressure tabs that need to be pushed inward to remove the support housing from the machine. Reinstalling it is just as easy. Simply align the tabs with the slots in the machine, press it back into place until the pressure tabs click and secure it. A pro tip, we've noticed that laying the machine flat on a level secure surface will make the job a lot easier. And here goes another pro tip. Be sure to save the support housing for when you switch back to the new quick connect cylinders. Even though the machine may still work without it, it helps keep the cylinder sitting flat and securely in place. And remember, not for all machines you have to remove the support housing. If you notice when you install the old cylinder with the adapter, you still have space to connect your cylinder, then it won't be necessary. And now you broke your machine again. Yes you did. No you didn't. Yes you did. You know you did. Now with the adapter already attached on the cylinder, we go ahead and open the latch on the machine. We insert the cylinder into the compartment, push it straight up into the quick connect slot until it clicks and locks securely into place. Then we close the latch before carbonating. And now we're ready for the next step, and that is the installation of the cover. We're going to insert our alignment tab at the bottom and then click in the top into place. And now you're ready to become the carbonating master of your town. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.